Thank you very much for joining me again. You might notice when some people get notification on their iPhone, their flashlight flashes. So if you want to turn on that feature, so just follow those simple steps and you can do that. So just go into the settings. So when you go into the setting, you'll literally scroll down, you'll find accessibility. Go in that tab, scroll down a little bit. You will find audio and visual. So just go in that tab. So in that tab, you need to scroll all the way down. So this is a feature, LED flash for alert. So it is turned off. When you turn on, so it will, whenever you get any kind of notification, it will flash this light. So let's say flash while unlocking. So when the phone is unlocked and then you get the notification, only at that time flashlight will flashes. Otherwise you can select this one to flash in silent mode and all other. So this, by simple turning on and off, you can enable and disable this feature. So it's that sometimes that's very useful feature for the nights. If you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friend, subscribe my channel for the more interesting video. Thank you.